all doing? I hope you're all having a nice time. Oh, my camera is so shaky. I hope you're all having a nice and a beautiful time and fast things fast. I'm happy. I'm very happy. You guys got me to 100 subscribers. You guys got me to 100 subscribers. Ooh. That was love. That was fast. That was God. That was everything good put together, shaken around, and poured on just somebody. I'm grateful. I am happy. I am humbled. Thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. Thank you for coming with me this far. And I hope that you guys are going to walk the journey with me and you're going to continue liking the videos, watching the videos, subscribing to the vlogs. And yeah, we're gonna move. We're gonna do this together. I am so happy. I am finally introducing my cats to you people. Finally, you're gonna see my cats. Finally, you're gonna see my family. And so, I am happy. I came here to tell you I'm happy. I am happy again. I am happy again and again and again, and I'm so happy. I'm happy, like genuinely, I'm happy. I know it's just the beginning of a long journey, but it started one step, and we have definitely made the first big step. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. You've made me a happy person today. I am grateful. As I told you, we have a lot of content lined up for you guys. You want to see our life. You want to see a lot about us. And we want to walk this journey together. Okay? So today again, I am doing dinner for my family. I want to do roast potatoes for the kids, mukimo for the adults. Mukimo is potatoes mashed together with beans and maize. Githeri and mukimo. I make my mukimo with githeri. There are people who make, even me sometimes, if it's a season for peas, I make that one for peas. If there's a lot of maize, I make the one for maize only. Sometimes I do green mukimo, sometimes I don't do green mukimo. Like now, I'm not doing green mukimo. I'm doing just the other type of mukimo. And that is what I am preparing, boiling the food here. And I'm grateful you guys are gonna come with me. So I am preparing. My potatoes are boiling. I'm just doing the preparation. I think I'll show you when I serve because it's late. And the kids love mukimo. But to make a kitambo wapate. Yes, mommy? Sawa, enda ufanye homework yako mama. That's my little girl. When the others are doing homework, because she's not going to school, she's still too young. She also has a book. So she go and doodle. You know doodling? She does a lot of doodling and now she tells me that she's doing her homework. So anyway, so as I was saying, I'm getting the dinner ready. I'm getting the dinner ready. So I'll show you when I serve, because I can't promise I'll show you any other time because time is gone. And I was saying my kids love mukimo so much they can eat a freaking whole plate. But tumekaka kitambo wa kule roast potatoes, and now that they are home for the holidays, it's time I start like bumping their foods. This is exactly how I love my cabbages, you see? Exactly as they are. Not well done. Cabbage itself, not very well done. Crunchy. See? And the onions. I love my cabbage this way. So the githeri is ready. put a lot with some soup so that I can try feed my daughter. These are not yellow beans. Yellow beans are known for all this. Like bakishia wengine hapo. So this is my githeri. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add cabbage on top. Then I go feast on my kagitheri. Ukinipikia cabbage hivi nitakula whole. Sufuria. So there you go. Maybe I can tell you. Pengine atakuna mtu mwingine atakula by just my cabbage. Two things. It's very cold. Very cold. And that's number one. Number two, there's a dog barking. And there's nothing much I can do about the dog barking. It's not just a normal dog. It's the chihuahuas. The two dogs zinakanga kwa nyumba. So it's not mine, it's somebody else. It's a neighbor's dog. But I felt I had to do this. Reason because I'm a very happy woman. I'm so happy. Today I'm happy. My sister got me something. Akatumana niletewe kwa ofisi. And I am so happy. I'm so grateful for my sister. She got me this cute bag. Can you even see? Can you even see? Let me see. Let me see whether they can make you see it better. Guess where the bag is from? Can you see? It's a Denry. It's a Denry bag. You people. It's a Denry handbag. I am so happy. This is quality. It is big. It is so big on the inside, as you can see. Big and big. Oh, I am so happy. As in, I rarely get gifts. So this one came in. I am very happy. You know, when it was delivered in the office, I thought, nifikia ni yake, nataka nimweke, because I'm based in town, ndio apitia akichukua. So when I was leaving, I called her and told her, you know, I'm almost leaving. I'm going to leave your package here. Ukikuja uchukue. And that is when she told me, oh, I even forgot. I sent something. Si yangu ni yako. And I was happy. This one. Ubarikiwe sana, my sister. In my whole life, I see Denry advertising. I know their quality bags. I have heard people saying how nice they are. But let me tell you, thinking of carrying one in my life. So, asante sana, my sweet sister. I am happy. You are the best. I love you so much. Thank you for this beautiful gift. Sasa ni kungara tu nayo. Kwanza brow. I don't even know. Thank you. I am grateful for this. Then something else that I got today from Ziada Home Solutions is, let me show you in a minute. So, wewe ondoka hapa. Ondoka hapa. So yeah, I got this one from Ziada Home Solutions. They are having Christmas items. As you speak, I hope this video goes out on time. And right now the items are not that expensive. So as Christmas comes closer and closer, it becomes more and more expensive. So really like this mat is only 1,200 shillings. So So there we go. There's the dinner for the girls. The 3 plates. So what I've done the roast potatoes, some tomato sauce. Sipendi kuwamwagilia juu ndio wasi. In case it doesn't please anybody, wasisumbuke. You can just eat the potatoes. Then I've done a little bit of mokimo here. I had made them some salad and some leftover meat. Hii ni ile nyama ya jana. This is the leftover meat. So everybody gets their share and their. The next day. So those are my kids' empty plates. And they lovely. Oh, I love these plates. They are B plates. They are really cute. I love them. So they are just themed. You know, they are kids plates, so they are themed in this way. But they come in handy because you put one thing here, one thing here, one thing here, and there. Everything is good because you have a fruit, you have what. So let me plate their food, then have them eat so that you can prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. So I serve, as you say, put their cabbage on top of the beans so that they can have an easy time eating. Otherwise they leave the chapati and the beans. By the time they get to the cabbage, wameshiba, so wakatae kukula. So when I mix it like that, I make sure it's mixed up. It's easier for them to eat, but they can still feel the taste of the cabbage. I also do some some little watermelon to appetize them as they eat some fruit, to appetize them, and each eats half piece of chapati. The reason they eat a half piece of chapati is because they will have a snack before they go to bed. And a snack means sometimes it is uji, sometimes it's yogurt, sometimes maybe it's a piece of cake and juice, just anything, some snack to have as they go to sleep. So yeah, let me take this to them. So guys, I'm through with dinner. And now the most interesting thing, I'm thinking, I've cooked chapatis today. And I love doing my cooking, though I rarely do it because of constraints of time and the fact that the kids have to eat early. See ati mnanikojea hadi saa 2 ndio nakuja kuwapikia stuff. But I love making my family dinners. But now I just remembered I'm having my baby is eating here and they're making noise. I just remembered my brother is coming tomorrow. He's coming from Ushago, from up country. And he loves chapati. Kama ningekuwa nime think twice, because I didn't think twice. Kama ningekuwa nimefikiria, ningepika chapo kesho. So as I'm saying, my brother comes tomorrow. He loves chapati. He loves chapati so much. He loves chapati so much. We even have funny childhood memories of him and chapati. That is how much he loves chapati. Food is there. My kids are enjoying here. As usual, they have started with the fruits. Then they start with what they like. And unlike us, unlike me when I was younger, tungepikiwa chakula iko na nyama, nilikuwa naeka nyama kando. You know, meat during our times. Chapos during our times and all that. Nilikuwa naanza na ile kitu mbaya plus, and then sasa niamalizia with the sweet things, some with the nice things. But for them, the generation we are having, nakwambia cabbages ndio zitakuwa za mwisho. And so just like that, the girls are through. Huyu ni yeye tu amebakisha kidogo and she's still eating. This is a small girl. Then the others are through. They asked for more chapati, so they have eaten and now they are full, and they are still asking me about uji. Imagine. So I love the way sometimes they feed really well. So it's time for them to go away as they start preparing for sleep. Then I can now have my dinner. So after eating, They help me wipe the table. This is my second born. She is 4 years old. Hi peeps, I almost forgot to show you breakfast today. This sandwich, they're having sandwich and a sausage. This for the kids. So there's bread, there's brownie, and there's some tomatoes. So that's what we're having for breakfast as we prepare to go to church. Some tomatoes, scrambled eggs, and bread. Some tomatoes, well done eggs, and bread. That's for breakfast today. And some tea.